If you never sell a stock, you never profit. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can still profit without selling your long-term investments. You ready? Let's go. A lot of investments pay dividends. So it's an incentive for you to actually not sell anything and hold your position so you can accumulate, say, thousands of shares over a 20 or 30 year period. And then you can live off those dividends. Second thing you can do is sell covered calls. And if you don't know what covered calls are, I'm going to put this video in the covered call playlist just so you can find them very, very easily. But let me just show you a really quick example. Now here we have Palantir stock. I'm already a shareholder in Palantir, and in order to sell one covered call, you need to own 100 shares. So the incentive obviously is for you to be a long-term investor, build up a position over a long period of time. Now, I'm just going to glance through this very quickly, but you can see here Palantir is $93. I like to sell the ones that expire every week. So today is Monday. You can see it right here, Monday. This expires on the 28th of February, so that would be Friday. If Palantir is not over $94, which look, it's 93 right now, so it's a very high likelihood that it could be over $94. But if it doesn't, I make 380 bucks on my one, well now 370 bucks on my one contract. If Palantir is say $94.01, I lose my shares. That's a bummer. I don't want to do that, but I still get to keep the $370. I can also buy the option back before the expiration, which means that yes, I would lose money on the option, but I would get to keep my shares. You see what I mean when I say this is complicated? You could also go further out, like what's the likelihood that Palantir is $99 by Friday? I would say pretty low. In fact, looking at the delta here, it's around a 30% chance that it hits $99, but I could still make 175 bucks every week. And that every week is not exactly accurate. The price of the options contracts will go up and down every week based on volatility, but you get the idea. It's a way to make a little extra money. And you don't ever have to sell something, unless your shares get called away and then you do sell it. Another way to make money off of your investments without selling is something called collateralized lending, or in the case of Charles Schwab, a pledged asset line. Let's take a look at that. A pledged asset line from Charles Schwab is a non-purpose line of credit that allows you to borrow against the non-retirement assets in your portfolio without having to liquidate your investments. This is, again, non-retirement. This means that your individual account only, not your Roth IRA, not your traditional IRA. Why would you do this? You can avoid tax consequences, you can save time and effort, and you can access competitive rates and exclusive discounts. And this isn't something you can do if you've just got like $10,000 in, say, Snapchat stock in your portfolio. You have to have a certain type of asset that is eligible for this, and obviously, the more money you have, the lower your interest rates will be. So yes, the traditional way of looking at retirement is I need $40,000. I have this investment portfolio. I'm going to sell $40,000 worth of stock in that portfolio to give me the money that I need. But this will show you there's other ways to do it. Smash the follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.